It's door gasket time. Already did this cooler. Did 3 door gaskets on this one. I got 2 to do on this one. And I got a walk-in cooler to do. I got like 8. I want to show you something. When you're doing door gaskets, you see what I do here is I lay a couple rugs down and get a pan with some hot water in it, some soap, and scrubby, metal scrubby, green scrubby, because look at the bottom of the doors. Whenever you see this is what the doors look like. They always look grungy. I don't know if you can see. Hang on, let me see if I can turn them. Let's see. There we go. Grunginess. See? So the doors, they always see the orange juice. You got orange juice runs down, drips a little bit, you know, and that's what happens. So I always scrub the bottoms of the doors when you're gonna put the new door gasket on. So you yank the door gasket. This. You yank your door gaskets. This one's pretty gnarled. And then use hot soapy water, the whole door, clean the bottom and everything, and then you could, even if the door gasket is giving you problems, you could hot soapy. I just use hot water though, just for the door gasket. Don't put soap on the door gasket, unless the door gasket's really being a bitch. But I just use hot water. See, should be better now. I wished it. See? Oh, better. Super nice. Yeah, takes 2 seconds only. Do it. Okay. Nice. Give it a little wipe. Okay. Works good. Okay, something else you got to be looking at. When you get these gaskets from Refrigeration hardware supply, they sometimes come with some booger stuff in the middle. And you got to take a knife and you got to cut that center part flat with the gasket. That's got to be flat with the flat surface part. So you got to take a razor knife, you know, and take that center part down on all 4 corners. Because all that's not gonna, that gasket won't sit flat. The corner will be up and the door, it won't work good. So you just got to take an X-Acto knife, razor knife, like this. I use one of these and just take it down. I'll show you in a minute. I'll do one of them. I'll show you. Look like when you clean them up a bit. Just do that. Another one. You get what I'm saying? You just gotta line up that corner. Okay, guys. Hey, when you got a beverage air, just take the door off. Unplug the refrigerator. Take the door off, easiest. These ones really get stuck when they're cold, so use the sink, hot water, use a spray nozzle, you know, and wash it all out, scrub it, you know, scrub the bottom of the door like I did on this one. There's the top, there's the bottom on that one, nice and clean. New gasket. Okay, when you get the gaskets from Refrigeration hardware supply, this one was really bad. What you got to do is you got to clean them up. It takes some time, but you got to make the flat area flat, and the groove area you can. And what you do, I'll try to show you. I did it on one here, and this one here, this one here. And you can take them all the way down flat. That one pretty close. I think it'll be okay. But you can take them all the way down to in the flat areas, as you can see, because they're the rubber's melted, you know. So anyways, what you do is you take the knife, and how I do it is I forget how I did it, but you kind of get in there and you go up, you know, so you do your cutting down in here, you know, and then you come up, and that's how I do it. So anyways. Okay, man, I'll tell you, putting these old beverage air gaskets on, what a pain in the rear scheme. I'll tell you, what I do is I take my hammer, put some 2 or 3 things with duct tape around it, and you can't, they don't go in if you hit them straight on, but on these beverage airs, if you hit on an angle, you know, 45-degree angle, kind of, sort of, and start, you know, and kind of work it down, you know, tapping it, and you kind of got to hit it in medium hard, you know. It's, I'll tell you, if you guys know any other ways to get these things in without using oil or something, you know, I guess I could have used some mineral oil between the to make it pop in there a little easier, but I just did it with hot water, and there's a real bear. So just wondered if you guys have any tricks. Let me know in the comments if you do. Thanks. It's the old beverage air from 2004. It's a 2004 beverage air door gasket, so as long as you know what circa that is. The good gasket, I mean, good unit. 2004, still kicking booty. Anyways, man, I'll tell you, this thing is a 2004 unit. This is January 2019. The unit's still kicking. Beverage air. I think it's called a model number UCR 27. UCR stands for under counter refrigerator, and 27 is the cubic foot. So I believe that's what the model is on this thing. But Beverage Air, man, they make good stuff. I'll tell you. Thanks, Beverage Air. Make good stuff. No kick in 2004 unit. This is 2019 starting out. And just wanted to add, this thing I don't think has ever had any work done to it. It's all original. Never been touched. The big doggy. Big doggy door gasket. Thermal right. Big door. Ow! Mother F me. Son of a bitch, look what these guys did. I think the plumber here is a mega hack. This is like a pseudo electrician too. This is what kind of shit he does. I just fucking can't believe he would do something like that. It's a brand new fucking cooler. This is a brand new freaking cooler. I mean, fuck, I just got stabbed by the damn thing too. Blood. But anyways, it's the new door gasket, 3-sided gasket. Thermal right. Got it from RHS. If anybody's wondering, I didn't get this one from Thermal right. But, let me get this thing off of here. Okay, out with the old and in with the new. Oh, there's an old one now. I think they shorted me a little on the width. The top's a little tight. It worked. I was pulling in there pretty good, so I think it'll be alright. But anyways, pretty cool. Just tap it in with a hammer a little bit, and she goes in real nice. Had the door open a while. Taps up on the box. Oops. Yep. Even with a curtain. That's shocking. Huh. Went up to. Huh. Wow, that's pretty weird. Even with the curtain there. Huh. Full curtain too. There's no leaky. Huh. Those curtains aren't very good. Yeah, but this thing works good. Went in there nice. 3-sided triple dart gasket. That's what they use on the Thermalright. 3-sided triple dart gasket. Alright, thanks for watching. Door gasket hell. 7 done. One more gotta go to another side of the building. Another place. But 7 on this side. Rock and roll. Hey guys, door gasket on this true T49, serial number 7010461. I think this must be a fairly late model. This door gasket's on. Mother effer. I'll tell you, the only way I could get it in is lube it up with some mineral oil. I buy mineral oil in the bottle in the drugstore. You can get it at Ralph's, CVS, or wherever. And I'll wash out one of these zoom spouts and put mineral oil in it. And what I do is I put it in the gasket. You know, put it on the gasket and put it in the groove, you know, and use your finger and your hand and, you know, lube it all up, you know, and that's the only way to get this gasket in, unless you guys know a different way to do it. But that's the only way I can see to do it. This is mineral oil is why I use the mineral oil is because you can drink it. It's a laxative for people, for, you know, you can drink it. It's bodily good, you know. So anyways, but anyhow, so yeah, this is what the gasket looks like. It's like a round, it's a different gasket than I'm used to seeing. I think this is my first one of this kind. But it's a round and pain in the ass gasket, man. I'll tell you, on T49. Okay, if you guys got any suggestions for how you guys are getting them in, let me know. Thanks. Okay, you guys, got this door gasket in. It went in pretty nice. Went in really nice with the oil. A little mineral oil on the gasket put it in the groove. Put it on the gasket and hit it with your palm of your hand and just beat the heck of it with your hand. Palm of your hand in there and it works good. All right, cool. I'm out. I'm done. And she's back to temp. She's coming down. Okay, the final pile. 8 door gaskets. Should be all done. Still boneyard. Mega pile. Mega boneyard. Alright, dead soldiers. Click like on the video and subscribe. Take care, bye.